It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 Tumblr inspired room decor, and these are really easy to make. Also, you can make all of these in less than 100 rupees. So if you guys want to see how I made them, let's get this video started. So the first DIY is a ruffle pillow. So for this we'll obviously require a pillow and some sort of cloth to cover it. I'm using this white cloth which I had at home. Now you can either stitch it in place or you can use a glue gun. So for this first pillow I'll be stitching it in place. Once you're done with the stitching, we need to create the ruffles. So for the ruffles I have taken this pink bedsheet which I had at home. So what you need to do is you need to cut rectangular strips of equal width, like long strips. Now attach the beginning portion of the strip to the cloth by using a glue gun. And then to create the ruffles, what you need to do is apply a little bit of glue gun on the top of the cloth and then fold it in the shape of a ruffle like I'm doing in the video. Now keep creating ruffles till the end of the pillow in the same manner. Now that you have this top space open, you just need to apply glue gun to each joint and then stick it to the pillow. In this way, one line of our ruffle is ready. Create 2 or 3 more lines in the same manner and our ruffle pillow is ready. The second DIY is a tie-dye pillow which looks really cute. Again for this we'll require a pillow and some sort of cloth. So I used this literally dhoti ka kapda which I had at home, and it had this checkered print which looked really nice. So I got lazy and used glue gun this time. I kept one side open so that I could take out the pillow. Now the next thing you need to do is just scribble using a sketch pen. Now use different colors of sketch pens to just scribble all over the cloth. Now my advice would be not to use light colors like neon green because they don't really show up afterwards.
Also, I have a chocolate ka dabba next to me because obviously.
So just keep scribbling, and yeah, once we have the cloth entirely covered with sketch pen, now you need to take one thing which everybody has at their home right now, and this is sanitizer, liquid sanitizer. So you need to spray this generously over the entire cloth. Like generously, all of the colors merge together. So that's what I'm doing. Now once you have drenched the entire cloth in liquid sanitizer, you need to let it dry completely. And yeah, you're done. Your tie-dye pillow is ready. So the next DIY is this tassel wall decor. Now these are very common and trendy in Pinterest and Tumblr. So for this you'll be requiring wool, scissors and a cardboard piece. So I wanted longer tassels, that is why I used a piece of cardboard, rectangular cardboard. So you need to roll the wool as many times you want according to the thickness of the tassel that you require. Now once you're happy with the thickness, you need to tie a piece of wool in the middle of the cardboard and then cut the string according to the length of the tassel that you require. Now in order to create the tassel, you need to snip the other side of the wool from the middle. Now once you have something like this, you will need another small piece of wool and tie it across the tassel 1 to 2 centimeters from the top just to create like a tassel head. And tassel is ready. Now you can create many more like this. Now to hang these tassels, you can either use like a lakdi ka branch, which looks very aesthetic. Second, you can use a stick. And third, you can use a hanger. Now I'll be using the stick since I'll be using a double-sided tape. So now you can arrange these tassels over the stick in any way you like. You can take inspiration from Tumblr or Pinterest. So you can use different sizes and shapes and colors of the tassels. Now I'm hanging them in a high-low fashion, and you then need to tie it to the stick. Now once you have tied the tassels in place, I'm just making sure all of them are equally spaced. Now since when you hang it, there's a chance that they can slip, so I'm just hot gluing them in place. Cutting the extra strings off, and my tassel string is ready. I'll just apply double-sided tape to the top of the stick. And then stick it to like the top surface of my bed ka headboard, and it is ready. So the next DIY, which is this hanging lamp, is my favorite. So for this you'll require normal tree ka branches, which I'm just breaking it up into pieces, but you need to break it up into like smaller pieces like my father is doing. I had to take help from him because I messed it up the first time. It's okay to mess up, that's how you learn. So the next time what you need to do is you need to use the balloon just like a structure for holding this whole thing together, and you need to apply glue gun only on the stick. So first time मैंने ऑलमोस्ट आधा बना लिया था, एंड देन वो बैलून फट गया बिकॉज मे बी द ग्लू गन बैलून में लग गया, एंड देन सो जस्ट मेक श्योर यू डू नॉट मेक द सेम मिस्टेक. सो नाउ आई एम डन विथ हाफ ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर. Now once you're done with one half, you just need to turn it around and do the other half. I wish it was that easy. Then I left a space in the middle just to put the bulb inside. Now to make sure that the structure holds up truly, you need to apply glue gun to all of the points or the joints where the sticks are stuck. So that's what I'm doing. Now once you have done it for all of the joints, it's time to burst the balloon, which is like the really dready part. So you just need to pinch the balloon anywhere and then make a hole in the pinched area so that the air leaks gradually. And yeah, just remove the balloon, put your favorite bulb inside, and it's ready. Now I would spray paint it as well, but I did not include it in this video because then वो 100 rupees से ज़्यादा हो जाता. But even without spray painting it, it looks really pretty.
So these were the 5 Tumblr inspired room decor. I hope you guys liked them. If you guys liked any of them and are gonna try it out, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.